Hi, Steve Vanderway here. I'm a manager for Churchill Mortgage, and I want to share with you one of the reasons why Churchill Mortgage is so passionate about debt-free home ownership.
We do that using a simple circle talk, we call it, and it's so simple that you can do it yourself. I would encourage you to grab a blank piece of paper and draw 3 circles on it, and you can label those 3 circles: income, investments, and insurance. And here's how it works. The income's pretty straightforward. Your income less expenses has to be a positive number. If it's not a positive number, you're going to see it because it's going to show up in consumer debt. Your credit card balances, your car loans, your student loan debt is all evidences of things that you purchased that you didn't have the income to pay off. And it creates a destructive cycle. What happens is you eventually have to rob your investments in order to pay down those expenses that you've incurred. I've seen people pay off liquidate 401ks or get consolidation loans off their home equity. Another thing that you do is you just stop investing altogether because you just don't have the cash money in your investments. And that destructive cycle creates problems down the road. When you're 65 years old, I believe that most people at age 65 that have to work because they're trying to support a mortgage payment. And so we don't want that to happen. The insurance on the other side is protection. So your emergency fund is an insurance against having to borrow on your credit card because of surprises. Property casualty insurance, life insurance, auto, health care, disability, all those insurances, when you insure it, when you're underinsured, again, you have to rob your investments, and it decimates this. When you properly insure yourself, it protects your investments. And so really the outside 2 circles create a safety net for the investment circle in the middle. And when your cash flow is good and your income exceeds your expenses, what happens is that excess cash flow spills over into your investments, and your investments grow. So now you have a little bit extra money, and you place it against your mortgage, and you start paying your 30-year mortgage off in 25 or 20 or 15 years, and eventually you pay it off altogether. And that's you're maximizing your home equity. And what happens at the same time is you dramatically reduce your expenses. Most people, their largest expense on the first of the month is their mortgage payment. When that mortgage payment goes away, this positive number grows even more, and that positive number gets spilled over into your investments, and your investments start to grow, and that positive, and what we call abundant cycle, continues to grow, and it grows your investments. In fact, your investments continue to grow until your income becomes optional. Think about it. Your investments don't need to replace your income. Your investments need to replace your expenses. So when you pay off your home equity, you've done 2 things. One is you give yourself more income to invest, but also you reduce your expenses dramatically and reduce the amount of lifestyle spending that the investments have to support. Same with your insurance. As your investments grow, you don't need as much life insurance and disability and long-term care because you've got the income to support it. And so this goes down, and you have more liquid reserves to support yourself with. This is huge. And one of the things that we are convinced of is that none of this can happen for you if you don't believe in it first. You need to believe that you can own your home debt-free, and we certainly do. Secondly, is you need to align yourself with professionals that believe the same thing you do. And Churchill Mortgage certainly does. Dave Ramsey uses us because of that, and you can too. So the first thing you need to do is believe you can do it, then align yourself with professionals like Churchill Mortgage, who has the tools to help you get to where you want to get to, and we have the belief that you can do it.
Thank you for choosing Churchill Mortgage, but more importantly, thank you for believing in your own dreams about debt-free home ownership. We believe in it too. We want to help. Thank you.